Here's how to record calls on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted to record a specific phone call that you're having on your iPhone, maybe it's a really important call that you want to save it for later, you can always do so. I'll walk you through your options to do that, but also the limitations. So let's open up a web page here, and it says recording phone calls by 50 states. So in the United States, it's state dependent whether you need to ask the other person permission to be able to record a conversation. So it says under federal law, it requires one party consent, aka if you are on a phone call, then you can consent, aka record the call, and you don't have to ask the other person permission, but it also varies depending on the state. So all these states are one party consent, indicating that you don't need to ask the other person permission. But there are some all-party consent states where you do need to ask the other party permission to basically record that conversation. And they can say yes or no. And if they say no, you can't do that. So keep in mind, keep an updated view on this to see if this is legal to actually do it. Now, after that, the easiest thing that we can do to record a phone call on your iPhone is the iPhone, basically Apple does not make that a built-in feature, obviously because it's illegal in some states to do that without permission. I would recommend the easiest thing to do is just find another person with a phone, an iPhone, a computer, something like that. You can always use this voice memos app. All you have to do is make a call on speakerphone on another phone, and then just toggle on this voice recorder. It'll record that entire conversation. And then once you're done, it'll save it. You can send it as text message. You can email it, save it, do whatever you want with that recording. So that's the easiest thing to do because there's no built-in option on the iPhone. But if you have another device just recording it, that's easy. So the other option you have is we can go into the App Store and just type in call recorder. Some of these give you the option, but they're pretty finicky. And you can see there are several apps here that give you that option in theory, but I've looked through these and generally they don't have great reviews. Some of them make you call somebody and then call a third party and then merge the calls, which would of course raise a bunch of red flags on why you're calling a third party and then merging the calls and then recording that. It will add a lot of kind of sketchiness to the whole process. So you can walk through some of these different options, but generally they're not great options to record your phone. The best thing that I would recommend is one, make sure it's legal in your state and that you're following all the laws. And then the second thing is get a computer, get an iPad, get another phone, and just record it. Or you can just go on Amazon. There are voice recorders for like $30 that you can buy on Amazon. Get a quick and easy voice recorder, and then just use that while you're on speakerphone on your iPhone. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.